Hi guys, I just shopped from Dollar Tree and I want to unbox this whole package with you guys. Yeah. So yeah, it's only $1, so I don't know how much it would cost, First I want this. I don't know why, guys. I just love painting. You guys, should I open it? I have nails. Oh my gosh. What is it? Oh yeah, that's the perfect way to unbox stuff. That's why we have teeth. That's why. I mean, my goodness, we don't need that. Look, it looks so white. See how white it is? Yes, you sure see. You're not blind, guys. Next about this, I don't know why. This is for painting over this. I put it all of my paints right here. Then I can just take them with me, like I put my fingers here, take them with me, and this also is that. Whatever. It's also painting. Next about this, cause I need this to school. A hand sanitizer, lavender, refreshing wipes. Oh my god, they smell. They smell just like my hand soap, guys. I mean, I love this also. Next is the best part. I bought the slime. Whenever I'm with my friends, I'm always because I'm going to her dad's birthday. Yeah, and I don't want to like make him mad. Like, I think this is mine and this is hers. So this one I can open in the end of the video or in the next video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to see the rest of my videos that I unbox this. So yeah, this is I didn't open it, but I want to give it a 10 out of 10. Okay, and as if you subscribed to my channel before, you could have seen the previous videos before this one, how I unboxed my hand sanitizer case and how I put it on, how I was super excited, and yeah. When also I take this everywhere with me. It's like a tic-tac-toe game where if you open it, there inside there's all of these stuff, and then like you can okay, you can play with and then okay, I put this, but it doesn't like stick. You have to like put it on the floor like this. Then okay, I put here, okay, and I put here, and I put it here, and I put here, and I put here. Oh yeah, I want it. Yeah, that's how I like playing with it. And guys, bye. Thanks for shopping with me. Bye.